2016 INFINITI QX80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, stability control, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, aluminum wheels. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.